Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Cricut to make this really cute welded shaped pumpkin card. How fun is he? Then we have the inside as well. You can also see the inside is also shaped the same way as the pumpkin. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into Cricut Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. From here we're going to go right below where it says recommended for you and click on spooky season. In the search box at the very top, type in the word pumpkin. And then click on enter. On the far right, click where it says view all. The two pumpkins I want is this one here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on him. Make sure there's a green box around him. Then go down and click on this pumpkin as well. Choose add to canvas. It'll bring both pieces in. So we have this piece and we have that piece there. I first want to resize this one, so I'm going to click on it. Go to the very top toolbar where the size is. And I'm going to unlock the lock and make this be the height. We're going to try 5. Nope, that's not going to fit. I'm going to make it fit into an A2 size envelope, so I'm going to make the width here be 4 inches. All right, so he's 4 inches wide by about 4.3 tall. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to right click and choose ungroup to separate the pieces that I don't want, which are these two here. And then delete those. All right, now we have these two pieces. I'm going to click on this one and change this one to be green. And what I want to do is separate the stem from this piece. So I'm going to go to my left-hand side toolbar. I'm going to click on Shapes, click on a square, bring this piece down, bring my square over. I'm going to go to the very top toolbar and click on the lock to unlock the square. I'm going to make this cover the entire pumpkin and just leave the stem showing. Highlight both pieces, right-click on that and choose Slice. So now we can move the stem out of the way and then delete these pieces. We no longer need them. All right, so now we have this piece here. I'm going to right click and choose duplicate, and I'm going to do this so I have 4 copies of this pumpkin. All right, so we have the 4 here. Now this one I want to add the face, and I want to use this face from this pumpkin. So I'm going to click on that pumpkin, go to the far right bottom corner of Design Space and click on where it says contour. All I'm going to do is hide the outer layer and just leave the face. I'm going to make this be black. And then I'm going to right click on it and choose bring to front. Bring it on top of this pumpkin here and then just resize it to where it fits that pumpkin. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight both pieces again. Right click and choose slice. That's going to slice out the facial features of that pumpkin. So now we can delete that piece. All right, so we have the front layer of our pumpkin, and we have the pumpkin stem that'll go behind it like that. Now 2 of these pieces I want to make be black, so I'm going to highlight 2 of those and change them to be black. This piece down here I want to be white. All right, so I'm going to set the white piece aside and just work with the 2 black. So I'm going to bring one down and bring the other pumpkin on top of that. Now we're going to weld these 2 together to where we're making a card that would open up like a calendar top to bottom. So I do want to flip this one upside down. So I have it selected, the top toolbar where it says flip, click on that and then choose flip vertical. I'm going to move this one up so I don't see any white here. Just bring them up like that. Now I'm going to highlight both pieces, go to my top toolbar again, choose align and choose center horizontally. That way I know it's centered left to right. I'm going to highlight both pieces again, right click and then choose weld. So now we have our card base. So this white piece, what I want to use this for, I'm going to right click on that and choose bring to front. I want to use this for the inside of my card so I have a place to write my grading. I want to make it be a little bit smaller, bring it over, and make sure it fits in there. Because it's the same shape, it'll fit in there nicely. Now you can see here where that divot is, that's where the card's going to fold, so you want to make sure this piece is not going above that. That one's good. Now when this card folds, like I said, you're going to have a flat top here for the pumpkin head. So when I bring this piece over, right click and choose bring to front, we're going to put this piece on top of our pumpkin of that shape. And then we'll bring this green piece over. I'm going to right click on that as well and choose bring to front. And that's going to go like that. So when the card's folded, we'll still see the pumpkin. All right, upper right hand corner, I'm going to go, actually before I do that, I'm going to go to my right hand toolbar and click on Color Sync. You can see we have 4 colors, so we have 4 mats. We have our black mat, our white piece, our orange piece, and our green piece. I actually want to move everything onto one mat except for my black piece. So I'm going to grab my orange layer, just drag it to the white layer, and my green layer to the white layer as well. move that up there. All right, actually, it's not letting me do that. I'm going to make it be white over here. Okay. All right, upper right hand corner, click on make it. So now we have 2 mats. So I know the part with the face is my orange, so I'll bring that one down here. The solid piece is my white, and the little green piece here, or the stem, isn't even my green piece. So I'll lay my cardstock out to match where I place all these pieces. Then we have the black mat here. I'm going to click on continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. Now we go back, everything is cut out. We're first going to go ahead and score or fold our card base over. Take your bone folder, give it a nice crease. As I said, when we fold this, the top of this piece is flat. That's why we have this piece to go on top of that, so it looks like it's a full pumpkin. I'm going to open it up and put our little card base on the inside. I mean, such a quick little card to put together and super cute. All right, so I'm going to put this on the inside. All right, I'm going to first go ahead and put the stem on. I'm going to put that right about here, I think. Okay, I'm going to put the stem on like that. I'm going to flip this one over and use my art glitter glue. I just have it in one of these small plastic bottles. I think, there we go. My tip is starting to claw on this one, so we're getting there. So go all the way around. Okay, and then we're going to glue this one. Again, I'm going to line it up at the bottom first to make sure everything lines up. How cute, right? How cute is that little card? Then you can open up, and then you have your spot for your greeting. Now, you're thinking it's probably small, and it is, but I had to allow room for the stem. I mean, so it does fit into a standard A2 size envelope. And I have a card kit available for you right here, so you have all the pieces as well as the envelope, and you'll receive this card and the envelope as well. So you can mail one and make one. To win the card kit, leave me a comment below. Just saying you want to be entered in the card kit, and I'll pick a winner this coming Sunday. All right, my friends, that is it. A super simple, welded shaped card using Cricut Design Space. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.